Hi everyone, I'm Joel from HILLTOP Property, and today I'm very fortunate to be able to walk you through this spacious 5-bedroom home at 170 Ocean Vista Drive in Maroochy River. Set back off the street, this 5-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home has been exceptionally well designed with generous room sizes, high ceilings, and an abundance of glass which soaks the home in natural light. With views from both levels across the Parklands Conservation Reserve and Maroochy River, sit in privacy and take in nature all around you. The home has been exceptionally well zoned with 3 oversized bedrooms and a living area on the bottom level, which are serviced by a bathroom and laundry with external access. There is an outdoor entertaining space and plenty of room for a pool and more gardens. Upstairs offers panoramic views from the large open concept kitchen, dining and living area with balconies at both ends. There is also a generous master bedroom with a walk-through robe and ensuite. To accommodate guests, there is also a powder room and an optional 5th bedroom or large office. Thanks so much for watching. Ocean Vista Drive is a very tightly held street, and on inspection, you can understand why. My team and I look forward to meeting at our next open home. For those interstate and overseas, we're more than happy to walk you through the property virtually.